Okay, hi guys, what's up? Today I will show you my way of lubing Kailh box switches. The reason for this video is I haven't found one yet, and yeah, I was searching for one. So disclaimer, I am new to this hobby and I'm not too sure if I'm doing this the right way because I haven't found like the right resource. But since there's no video on YouTube, I thought about doing one so some pros can come around and comment of my way of fucking it up. And for everybody else, there will be a resource to start finding information. Yeah. So this is what the switch is looking like. I have Kailh box browns. To open that up, I use a knife. You can just push it this way and do the same thing on the other side. Watch out to not cut yourself. The second side is a little bit more tight than the first one, and you open up that. So these are the I start off with the bottom housing. First I will loop this round thing here because this is where the spring is sitting inside the housing, like this. Some people say that on a tactile switch you shouldn't loop all the bumps, but since this one is already looped, it doesn't really matter if you touch it a little bit or not. So the next step is the spring. Of course you can either back loop this, but I'm doing it like this way. Okay, then I attach it to the bottom housing and lubing the second part of it. Whoop, don't pull it out. Like this. Boop. Okay, should be fine. It's not falling out, so it's sticking in because of the loop. So the next part is the top housing, not top housing, the stem. Here, at first I will loop this part in here because this is where the spring is sitting. So I'll go in there. Whoop. Is it focused? No. I hate it. So now on the stem you want to loop these like two bars because this is the surface which is rubbing against the top housing. So this will be the most crucial part. Oh, I think I have too much lube on my brush. So I'm lubing these two bars. No. I also apply some lube on the surface in the middle, which doesn't really matter, but I don't know, I'm doing mostly for my so the other side looped. Also, since some people say don't loop these pegs here on a tactile switch, it's nearly impossible to not touch them if you're looping the bars, so yeah, who cares. I apply it on here. And now the last part, the top housing. So here, these rails in here, this is the part where the stem is rubbing against, so you need to loop the inside the rail, but also the top of the rail, since this is a part which is rubbing against the surface of the stem, like this. Other side. Yep. And another one. And we're done. Assemble this little like this, and we're done. So I don't have a really good microphone, so I won't bother trying to give you the comparison to a non-looped, but when using the switch near to my ear, I can hear that there is no spring rattle anymore. Apart from that, I'm not too sure how much the lubing is helping because I'm a noob and I don't know how it should sound. So yeah, take this everything with a pinch of salt, grain of salt, I don't know.